Have you ever wondered, why is biology crucial to the pharmaceutical sciences? This question often stirs curiosity among those who desire to understand the intricate workings of life and its relation to the health sciences. To unravel this mystery, let's dive into the fascinating intersection of biology and pharmaceutical sciences. Biology, often referred to as the science of life, is a comprehensive field that studies life and living organisms. It explores everything from the microscopic world of cells to the vast ecosystems that thrive on our planet. This study of life in its myriad forms and complexities provides the essential foundation for understanding how organisms function and interact with their environment. On the other hand, pharmaceutical sciences, a dynamic and multidisciplinary field, applies this biological knowledge in the most practical and transformative way. It's a field committed to the discovery, development, and production of drugs that are designed to improve and save lives. Imagine biology as a vast treasure trove of information about life and its processes. Pharmaceutical sciences, then, is the intrepid explorer that uses this treasure trove to map out solutions to health challenges. It takes the biological understanding of how cells function, how genes express, and how diseases evolve, and uses this to design drugs that can intervene in these processes in the most effective way. Pharmaceutical sciences blend the biological knowledge of disease mechanisms with the principles of chemistry and pharmacology. It's like a master chef using the right ingredients in the right proportions to create a therapeutic potion. This potion or drug is then designed to interact with our bodies in a way that alleviates symptoms, fights disease, or improves health. So why is biology crucial to pharmaceutical sciences? Simply put, it provides the fundamental knowledge that allows pharmaceutical scientists to design drugs that work in harmony with our bodies. It's the language that allows them to communicate with life at its most basic level, the cellular level. Without biology, the development of effective and safe drugs would be like navigating without a compass. It's the beacon that guides the way in the vast and complex world of pharmaceutical sciences. From the smallest cell to the complex human body, biology provides the foundation for pharmaceutical sciences. Let's begin by considering the cell theory. This principle, stating that all living things are composed of cells and that cells are the basic unit of life, is integral to our understanding of health and disease. In pharmaceutical sciences, this principle guides the development of drugs at a cellular level, targeting specific cells or cellular processes to treat or prevent disease. Next, we have the gene theory, which posits that our traits are inherited through gene transmission. In pharmaceutical sciences, understanding genetics is crucial in the development of personalized medicine. By understanding a patient's genetic makeup, we can predict how they might respond to certain drugs, allowing for more effective and safer treatments. The principle of evolution, the process that results in the diversity of life on Earth, is also essential in pharmaceutical sciences. It's evolution that's behind the development of drug resistance, where bacteria, viruses, and other pathogens evolve to withstand the effects of drugs. This understanding prompts the continuous development of new drugs to combat resistant strains. Homeostasis, the ability of an organism to maintain a stable, constant internal environment, is another key biological principle. In pharmaceutical sciences, drugs are often designed to restore homeostasis in the body. For instance, insulin is used to regulate blood sugar levels in individuals with diabetes, restoring a balance that the body can't maintain on its own. Then there's pharmacokinetics and pharmacodynamics, the study of how the body affects a drug and vice versa. These areas are heavily influenced by biological principles, as they involve understanding how drugs are absorbed, distributed, metabolized, and excreted in the body and how they exert their effects. It's clear that the principles of biology are not only fundamental, but also instrumental in pharmaceutical sciences. Understanding these principles and their applications can lead to the development of more effective, safer drugs and ultimately, better health outcomes. Scene script. Let's delve into a real-life example, the creation of antibiotics. As we explore the intersection of biology and pharmaceutical sciences, it's only fitting to illuminate how the understanding of bacteria, a biological concept, led to the development of these life-saving drugs. Bacteria, as we know, are microscopic, single-celled organisms that inhabit virtually all environments on Earth. Some are beneficial, aiding in digestion or contributing to the Earth's nutrient cycles. Yet others can cause diseases, wreaking havoc on our bodies. The need to combat these harmful bacteria led to the development of antibiotics, drugs specifically designed to fight bacterial infections. The first antibiotic, penicillin, was discovered in the late 1920s by Alexander Fleming. He observed that a type of mold, Penicillium notatum, could kill bacteria. This observation, deeply rooted in biological understanding, was the foundation for the development of penicillin, the first true antibiotic. Today we have a wide variety of antibiotics, and their development is continuous. The rise of antibiotic-resistant bacteria, another biological concept, underlines the need for new and more effective drugs. Biology aids in this process, providing insights into bacterial behavior, their mechanisms of resistance, and how they interact with the human body. For instance, understanding the genetic makeup of bacteria allows scientists to identify targets for new drugs. By studying how bacteria evolve to resist existing antibiotics, scientists can design drugs that are harder for bacteria to resist. Moreover, understanding how our bodies respond to these bacteria can lead to the development of drugs that not only kill bacteria, but also boost our immune response. So you see, biology is not just a science that explains the natural world around us. It's a vital tool, a lens through which we can understand and tackle the challenges in the field of pharmaceutical sciences. This example illustrates the indispensable role of biology in pharmaceutical breakthroughs. The creation of antibiotics is but one example of the countless ways in which biology enriches and informs the field of pharmaceutical sciences. It's a testament to the inextricable connection between these two disciplines. So, what does the future hold for the marriage of biology and pharmaceutical sciences? Well, as we gaze into the crystal ball of science, we can see a future brimming with exciting possibilities. One of the most promising trends is personalized medicine. This is where medicines are tailored to the individual rather than the disease. It's a shift from a one-size-fits-all approach to a more precise and personalized one. This is largely thanks to advances in genomics, the study of our genes. By understanding an individual's genetic makeup, scientists can predict how they might respond to certain drugs, allowing for treatments that are more effective and have fewer side effects. Another game changer is biotechnology. This is where biology meets technology, and it's revolutionizing the pharmaceutical industry. Through biotechnology, we can engineer bacteria to produce insulin, a life-saving drug for diabetics. We can also design new drugs at a molecular level, creating treatments that are more potent and specific. Then there's the emerging field of pharmacogenomics. This is the study of how genes affect a person's response to drugs. It's a new frontier in personalized medicine, and it's set to revolutionize the way we treat diseases. For example, by understanding how certain genes affect the metabolism of drugs, we can adjust dosages to avoid adverse reactions and increase effectiveness. The future also holds promise for the development of new drug delivery systems. Imagine, for instance, tiny robots delivering drugs directly to cancer cells, sparing healthy cells from the harmful effects of chemotherapy. But it's not just about new drugs and delivery systems. The future of pharmaceutical sciences also includes better disease prevention. By understanding the biology of diseases, we can develop vaccines and other preventive measures, potentially saving millions of lives every year. Indeed, the future is bright for the union of biology and pharmaceutical sciences. As we continue to unravel the mysteries of biology, the potential for pharmaceutical sciences seems limitless. So here's to the future, a future where science and medicine work hand in hand to improve health and save lives. As we continue to unravel the mysteries of biology, the potential for pharmaceutical sciences seems limitless. Today, we've explored the profound connection between biology and pharmaceutical sciences. We've journeyed through the intricate intersection of these two realms, observing how they are not separate entities but rather intertwining facets of a larger, more complex picture. We started our journey by understanding the basic principles of biology and their significant role in pharmaceutical sciences. We delved into the fundamental concepts of cell structure and function, genetics, evolution, and ecology. We saw how these biological principles provide the groundwork for the development, design, and production of drugs. By understanding the biological processes that occur in our bodies, we can design drugs that effectively interact with these processes, thereby treating or preventing illnesses. Then we moved on to a case study on antibiotics. We saw how a deep understanding of biology allows us to develop these life-saving drugs. By studying the biology of bacteria, we've been able to develop antibiotics that specifically target bacterial cells, leaving our own cells untouched. This case study served as a vivid illustration of the practical and significant application of biological knowledge in the realm of pharmaceutical sciences. Looking ahead, we also discussed the future of pharmaceutical sciences. We envisioned a future where biology continues to play a pivotal role in drug development. From personalized medicine to biotechnology, we recognize the potential for further integration between biology and pharmaceutical sciences. Let's not forget, the relevance and significance of biology to pharmaceutical sciences is not just academic. It has real-world implications that affect us all. It's about understanding the world within us to develop solutions to the health challenges we face. It's about creating a better, healthier future for everyone. Remember, biology isn't just a subject in school, it's a vital ingredient in the medicines that improve and save lives. Subscribe for more.